Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com, and we've done numerous videos and articles on subcision, which is a way to treat scars. Subcision is a technique where you're breaking up the little spider webs that hold a scar down in a depressed state. So when that scar is bound down with scar tissue, and you can imagine that being spider webs, and you put an instrument in there and release that tissue, the scar can come back up and it fills with blood underneath the scar and breaks up those adhesions. So we're going to show you a little case in a before and after picture doing subcision on the back of a head of a male patient that had a scar from a cyst removal previously. I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com. So this is a patient who had a large lipoma on the back of his head, and we removed it. This is all local anesthesia, that swelling that you see, and but he has a deep scar here. So what we're going to do is eventually probably use a permanent filler and a laser to improve it. But this is called a no-core needle. So it's like an 18-gauge needle with a little mini scalpel blade on here, and we're going to do a process called subcision. And what we do with subcision is to go in here, and if you could imagine that this little groove or this scar is being bound down or held to the deeper tissues, just imagine spider webs, and that's what that scar tissue is like. So what we're doing is taking this little scalpel and we are disrupting these spider webs, and of course this is painless, the patient's awake. And can you feel anything?
No,
okay.
Not at all.
And so we're just going to break this scar tissue up, and this will release, and then it'll fill in with blood, and it'll actually make this less shallow. So we'll do this a couple times, probably do a little permanent filler like silicone, and use a little CO2 laser resurfacing, and I think we can make this thing almost disappear. For LoveThatFace.com, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu. Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com, and if you subscribe to our channel or know anything about me or my practice, you know that cosmetic facial surgery is my passion. I have a for-purchase video series at cosmeticsurgeryeducation.com, cosmeticsurgeryeducation.com, and it is a huge effort that took over a year to film. We have hundreds of videos on multiple procedures, so I don't skip anything. I'm just going to read some of the procedures: injectable fillers, neurotoxins, blepharoplasty, brow and forehead lift, face and neck lift, facial implants, minimally invasive facelift, otoplasty, laser skin resurfacing, chemical peel, scarless mole removal, surgical lip enhancement, the management of fat in the head and neck. And I think this is a great series for students, interns, residents, and it's also a great review for established cosmetic facial surgeons. Check it out. You can preview the videos. They're very reasonably priced, and they're very comprehensive. cosmeticsurgeryeducation.com. I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu.